If you've been needing some extra shop space but don't want to have to build from scratch, this property is going to be worth a look. Located in Stoney Creek Estates, just outside of Andalusia, Illinois, this nearly 3/4 acre property includes a 36 by 48 pole building that's already equipped with 200 amp electrical service, a wired-in shop air compressor that stays with the property, and a dedicated 220 volt welding circuit. Inside, you'll find a practical layout with approximately half concrete floor for workshop space and half gravel for vehicle and equipment storage. A large 10-foot by 18-foot overhead door makes it easy to back in trucks, trailers, boats, campers, or machinery. The spacious lot also provides enough room to build a small home, giving you the flexibility to combine living space with an excellent workshop while staying outside of city limits and on a hard surface road. Located just 1 mile from Andalusia, only 8 miles from Milan, Illinois, and within the Rockridge School District, this is an outstanding opportunity for contractors, hobbyists, or anyone needing more space. Contact us today for more information and to schedule a private showing. I'm Chase Burns, proudly representing Land Guys in Northwestern Illinois.